Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to answer a question of what do you do inside of Palworld when you get way too strong, but you haven't caught all the lower level pals yet. How do you make sure you don't accidentally kill them without having to like downgrade your weapons or use your fists? The simple answer is, even with a really powerful weapon, you can still prevent yourself from murdering everything in sight by using one simple item. And that item is the Ring of Mercy. The Ring of Mercy itself is a relatively early in the game unlock because it just ends up being used. It's at about 18 right here, and it's unlocked through ancient technology once you start getting ancient technology points. And the whole idea behind the Ring of Mercy is that when you wear it, you can't kill anything. However, that same buff does not apply when you're running around with your pal. So like right now, I can continuously pop this guy and he won't die instantly. However, if I bring out my Incineram and I shoot a different one, where's another one? Now here's an example. If I shoot this Vixie, my Incineram can go run up there and still murder the Vixie, so that doesn't count for that. It also doesn't count for people. This sort of counts for any unit that you would be attacking in the game. However, if I recall him, and I bring out my giant purple deer, if I'm riding a pal at the time when I'm attacking, they will receive the same benefit that I would for the Ring of Mercy. Anytime that they attack, their attacks will not kill the creature any more than I was. Same thing with like hurtling a rock. So you can do this by you know, mount back if you really want to. So it's just worth keeping in mind that if you want to use this tool, only you and the creatures directly connected to you will be benefiting from it in any meaningful way. And it's just a really useful item, and if you want to disable the ability for it to prevent you from killing things, just stop wearing it, put it back inside of your inventory, and then the next time you go find a creature like this other Vixie that's PO'd at us, you can just pop them and just shoot them like any other normal animal for a ridiculous sum once you're way over leveled for hunting that particular kind of pal. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's been how to prevent yourself from one-shotting every pal in sight. I hope you found this helpful. It's a relatively easy to get ring. Again, it's just level 18. And then here under 18, you've got the Ring of Mercy, and it takes 30 ingots, 20 palladium fragments, and 5 ancient civilization parts. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.